Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
The fruit punch, raspberry Ruffles Dianthus hybrid is a beautiful perennial plant known for its charming pink flowers with a delightful fragrance. Here's a guide on how to plant and maintain these lovely flowers. Planting. Choose the right location. Select a location that receives full sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Soil preparation. Dianthus prefers well-draining soil with a slightly alkaline pH. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, improve drainage by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Planting time. Spring or fall is the best time to plant Dianthus. Ensure the last frost has passed before planting. Planting process. Dig a hole twice the diameter of the plant's root ball and deep enough to accommodate the roots. Gently loosen the root ball and place the plant in the hole. Fill the hole with soil and pat it gently around the base of the plant. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Maintenance. Watering. Water your Dianthus regularly, especially during dry periods. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Instead, water the soil around the plant's base. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the plant to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Mulching also helps prevent direct contact between the foliage and soil, reducing the risk of diseases. Deadheading. Remove faded or dead flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming and maintain the plant's appearance. Deadheading also prevents the plant from using energy to produce seeds. Fertilization. Dianthus generally doesn't require heavy feeding. However, applying a balanced fertilizer once a year in early spring can promote healthy growth and flowering. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for proper application. Pruning. Trim back the plant after the first flush of blooms to encourage a second blooming later in the season. Additionally, prune any dead or damaged growth throughout the year. Winter care. In colder climates, provide winter protection by mulching around the base of the plant to insulate the roots. This helps the plant survive harsh winter conditions. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Dianthus is generally resistant to diseases, but good airflow and proper sanitation can prevent issues. By following these guidelines for planting and maintenance, you can enjoy healthy and vibrant raspberry Ruffles Dianthus in your garden. Want to see more of my videos? Like and subscribe.